Global warming. Climate change is the biggest threat facing the planet. Climate change could make extreme weather more severe, increase droughts in some areas, change the distribution of animals and diseases across the globe, and cause low-lying areas of the planet to be submerged in the wake of rising sea levels. The cascade of changes could lead to political instability, severe drought, famine, ecosystem collapse and other changes that make Earth a decidedly inhospitable place to live. Asteroid. A space rock could wipe out Earth. A meteor impact probably doomed the dinosaurs, and in the Tunguska event, a massive meteoroid damaged about 770 square miles of the Siberian forest in 1908. Even more frightening, perhaps, is that astronomers only know about a fraction of the space rocks lurking in the solar system. Pole inversion. The Earth's magnetic poles could be about to flip, sparking chaos and making large parts of the planet uninhabitable. And while it is true that Earth's magnetic field has reversed in the past, multiple times, in fact, and that doing so today would very likely cause some serious problems. Nuclear war. Nuclear warfare and its fallout would have devastating consequences, like firestorms, a nuclear winter, a severe and prolonged global climatic cooling effect, that alone could end modern civilization, and radiation sickness. Overpopulation. The fear of an overpopulated globe has been around since the 18th century. Population growth would cause mass starvation and overtax the planet. Many conservationists think population growth is one of the key threats to the planet. Thanks so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please, don't forget to subscribe.